Hello everyone, my name is Anil Kumar. I am doing intern as Liferay developer at Fiber Technologies, and I am here today to talk to you about Liferay technology. Liferay is a professional open source which is used to develop web applications with less code and easy understanding. Liferay is also a web application framework or content management framework. So Liferay is mainly focused on portlets. So if you take Liferay in daily life, we have many applications which is using Liferay technology or portlet technology. So if you take the example of Crickbus, so if you want to view a match, if you want to view a score of a match, so for every ball we are getting a scorecard and a commentary. So ball by ball we are getting. We don't require any refreshment of our page. So automatically the page is refreshed and we are getting our results at the correct time. So this is one of the application of use of this Liferay, and we can take different examples like weather report. Weather report. So every time the climate may change. Here, without any refreshment, we'll get our temperature and different options which we are in need. If you take our example of email also, same concept. It's a technology of Liferay. That if I send a mail, that recipient who is receiving the mail does not require a refreshment of his page automatically. Sometimes we need refreshment, sometimes we not require any refreshment of our page. So this is the official website of Liferay. So you can download the Liferay portal community version. If you are using Linux, go with this bundle with Tomcat tar file, and if you are using with Windows, go with the 7-zip Tomcat. So I have already downloaded my Liferay. This is my Liferay. I have extracted it, my zip file. So this is Liferay. I'm using Tomcat server. So it is inbuilt one with 9.0. So we have IDE also, or Liferay development. So that I also at Developer Studio. So now we'll see what are the requirements to be a Liferay developer. So we need to first understand the Liferay bundle. So how this working of this Liferay with Tomcat server. So we need to have some knowledge on layouts. So because Liferay is fully based on web development content, so we need to understand about the layout and Bootstrap, how that functioning is going on. So some basic Java programming is needed for the programming. So we don't require much programming, as Liferay makes us easier and accurate web portlet and some MySQL stuff and HTML CSS. Not high end, basic is enough for now. So now we'll start uh, now we'll start a small portal website and see how it's functioned. So now I already started my portlet server. So now I'll launch in my local host. Like I'll take new one. So I'll go with local host. So now I'll sign in with my account. So this is my page. Now I'll try to create one site. So here I'll add one site. This is my blank site. I'll give this name as some project Liferay. Save it. So my site ID is 36. It's this stuff. So for me, I can add my pages, site pages. So categories also I can check it. URLs, these are inbuilt, we don't require any coding for it. These are all inbuilt one. Now I'll save it. So my request has been successful. Now I'll start preparing my pages. So I don't have any pages with this project library. I'll create one public page. I'll take widget page. So I'll name it as page 1. Add it. So in this I'll as I told, this fully based on layouts. So I'll take one column layout. Yes. So my page has been created successfully. I'll go to my pages, and here you can see my page 1 which I've created, and I'll try to view it. Yes, this is my empty page. So now I'll add some stuff in it. So I'll add first search bar. Yes, it is added successfully. So I want to add another field, like we have so many here. No, I'll add some blocks. It's a drag and drop process. You don't require much risk. Drag and drop. So I don't have any blocks right now. Now I'll add my new entry. So it's taking some time. Yes, for this you can add your file, which is maximum size of 5 MB. So I'll name it as first block. So, and I'll write my content as some, like, what is life free, and I'll give some. So now I'll publish it. It's taking some time to publish. Yes, it has been published successfully, and you can see my like blog here, and I can like and dislike, and I even comment it. Yes, I can comment also to my blog. So I want to view this in my personal laptop or phone. So this is my view of my page, and in mobile. So you can even I can auto scale it so as per my requirements. So this made us so much easy. So we don't require any bootstrap code here. It is easy. So this is a small application. So in the next session, we'll try to implement new apps and try different options in it. So now I'll stop my server. Yes, it has been stopped successfully. Now if I try to access it, no, it will not access. So my server has stopped. My server has stopped. Now I don't find any local host now. So this is a small video on Liferay. Thank you.